Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is gold chart on 4-hour time frame. Gold is now in 4-hour consolidation. This has been the resistance on 4-hour time frame, and this has worked as resistance here. But the gold has got support at 1952. Now this is the 4-hour consolidation, and where to which side we are expecting the breakout. Now most of the time the breakout happens the way I am going to explain right now. Previously, if you want to understand these 4-hour breakout predictions, you may watch my CAD JPY analysis. Now this was the high of this 4-hour. Then from how many 4 hours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Almost when these 4 hours are ended, it will be 24 hours of this consolidation. Now this is the high of the market in these 4 hours, and this is the low of these 4 hours. Now let us move to the 1 hour time frame, and from there we can predict the breakout. Now watch here. This 4 hour is when we move to the 1 hour time frame. This is the level which breaks it in two parts. Most of the time the market has been under this level, and for some hours it has been above this. Now where we have to watch, where if the market has been in the uh, down in the lower part of the 4 hour time frame, then it will break to the upward. If this remains in the upper part of the consolidation, it will break to the downward. Now this is the setup that shows that it will break to the upward. It shows right now we can enter in buy right now and stop loss below this level. You may enter today, tomorrow, anyway, anytime in a buy. But if the market goes here and is unable to break up to the upward and remains in this range for many hours. How many hours? For example, we count these hours: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And it means the market is in the upward portion just for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours and some part of these hours. So this is not enough to break downward. So if this remains for almost many hours here, then it will break down. So currently the market is expected to break 1963, and after this consolidation it could expand to the next level. Now let us move to the 4 hour time frame and watch the next hour. Now let us zoom out. If this level is broken to the upward, then the next level that we have, let me put the horizontal line here, 1985. It is high probability that when this level 1963 is broken, gold could go up to 1985 and get expansion maybe. So now it's all up to you whether you are buying right now or tomorrow. It's all up to you. Stop loss below this level and entry whether you take today or tomorrow. It's all up to you. In the condition when the market, now let me show you on the 1 hour time frame. When the market remains in this portion, 1 hour time frame, then it will break to the upward and it is okay to get the to remain in the buy. But if you buy right now and the market for many hours consolidates here and is unable to break this level, then it will break to the downward. I hope I have tried my best to explain this. And if you want to confirm these kind of breakouts, you may watch my CAT JPY video also. Like my this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.